Today, we were at the amazing Eureka Festival, the largest free family science and innovation festival in North America. My son Gabriel and I have had an incredible time. One of the highlights was visiting the Neurological Montreal Hospital kiosk, where we learned how to build a brain. Wow! The brain has several sections, including the right and left hemispheres. The right hemisphere is for creativity and special ability, while the left handles logic and language. It was so fascinating to see my son Gabriel so engaged. If you ever lose your brain, now you know where to come and build a new one. This festival aligns perfectly with our Screen-Free Family Challenge, offering countless opportunities to explore, learn, and have fun together without screens. It's been 1 minute with Daily Dave, the read from a guy. See you tomorrow.